ViewX Software User Guide. 3D Spatial Gateway is the core authentication and gaming platform software for ViewX 3D displays. This software integrates WebGame-compatible games and the 3D video player. 3D Playground Lite is designed for game platforms such as Steam. Depth Transformer is a real-time AI-powered 2D to 3D conversion software. Experience 3D games through 3D Playground Lite. First, open 3D Playground Lite. A green checkmark will appear to confirm successful authentication. Games you have already downloaded will show as installed. Then, download the corresponding 3D component. Once the download is complete, a completion indicator for the 3D component will appear here. Finally, click Launch Game to start playing. Gently press the 2D 3D button for one touch to D to 3D conversion. Now it's time to experience games in 3D. Experience 3D content with Depth Transformer. Open Depth Transformer, then open its interface from the system tray at the bottom right. Depth Transformer converts all full-screen content from 2D to 3D. In this tutorial, we'll use a web video as an example to demonstrate the workflow. After going full screen, press Ctrl F2 to enable side-by-side split-screen mode. Then, lightly press the side button to D3D to achieve the 3D effect. You are now in 3D mode. The eye tracking system above the screen will adjust the image in real time based on your position. Additionally, the 3D effect can be fine-tuned to your preference. Ctrl left or right arrow adjusts the depth intensity. Alt left or right arrow adjusts the pop-out effect.